Hello, welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to provide you some credible information which will help you take decision for being in the stock market. A lot of discussion and fear is going on in the stock market about the Evergrande crisis. For the readers who are not aware of Evergrande, we'll just tell you that Evergrande Group is the real estate group which is the largest property developer in China by sales and comes in second number in whole of China. It is ranked 102nd on the Fortune Global 500 list, and it is incorporated in the Cayman Island and is headquartered in Guangdong province, China. So what happened that Evergrande is not able to honor its liabilities to the tune of 300 crores, and market is buzzing that now this Evergrande problem can snowball and can become the Lehman Brothers crisis which occurred in 2008, which was also equivalent to approximately $300 billion only. So you can see that it is the second largest property developer and now facing a crisis. Well, any company can go bankrupt. So first of all, we know that China is a closed economy, tight fist economy. So whatever is happening there is generally not known. And we feel that China will not let this problem become a global problem. So you need not panic. We are of the opinion that Evergrande is not going to become Lehman Brothers crisis, as they have land bank, whereas Lehman Brothers crisis had nothing at their disposal. That is nil bata nil, or we can say in Bollywood style, nil bata sannata. However, a word of caution is that if tomorrow passes off peacefully without any major disturbances in the stock market, including global markets, especially Hong Kong index and Chinese market, we will see this problem getting faded away soon. So, all those who are sending us email, messages and texts need not worry and need not exit any of their positions unnecessarily. So don't panic, as things are not as bad as it is appearing. Remember that these guys, beer cartel guys, they deliberately collude together and time the market as and when any major event is going to take place. So this time it was FOMC meet whose impact was to be seen on Wednesday night, and they tried to spread the word that Evergrande issue is going to snowball and take the whole markets, including global markets, down. As it is, markets were worried that if Fed does the tapering, now it may lead to fall in the market. So these two situations, they clubbed together and tried to take the advantage of the situation. So you do not have to fall to all these beer cartels activities and trade with an open mind. If you are invested in a good company, it is going to stay put whether Evergrande stays or whether it collapses. So you don't have to worry and have faith in your capabilities or your financial advisor capabilities who have advised you to get into it. Remember that Evergrande news of China is alive for the past 1 month, and suddenly it gets awakened on the Sunday, that is around 3-4 days back, and it has been deliberately coincided with the FOMC meeting. FOMC has put up a very lollipop type statement that if global economy is okay, then we will undertake the Fed tapering. So this if figure is important and you need not worry. And remember, we are signing off here, and you will see that Indian markets are going to touch new highs, and we may be say touching 25,000 levels in the next year or so. So stay invested in equity market as it gives you the best returns. Good times you should get out of the junk stocks, and bad times you should be able to buy good stocks at very low prices or at the bargain prices. Remember that we are the best bank nifty option tips providers. You can get started with a small capital of 5,000 to 10,000 and can make phenomenal profit on a daily basis. If you like our channel, please remember to subscribe to it and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.